Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have news of a change coming to Windows 11 that will have non-Copilot plus PC machines run some AI models that will simply use your GPU. So Microsoft did announce that if your machine, if your PC has a Nvidia graphics processor, and you can look at the task manager if you want to know if you have one. This machine does not. You look at GPU, it says Nvidia, or that is going to be possibly used for AI models. Now, will they use the GPU, also some other GPUs at some point? It's possible. But for now, the first Windows 11 operating systems that will use the GPU will be the Nvidia. So that means that basically you will start having capabilities like Copilot plus PC machines that will show up in apps. Now you might say, well, I don't want to have AI. It's too late. AI is everywhere, and it's already running for the majority of stuff that you do. The way it's going to work is that apps might be installed on your PC, and those apps might need to use some artificial intelligence. And what happens is that means they're going to download some AI models that will be running off of your GPU, since it's a very powerful device. And this will help AI to happen within your computer rather than going out and using some AI in the cloud for computing. So essentially, there will be less connections on the internet for artificial intelligence purposes, and it will enable some apps to actually run AI models to help them run faster and help you out. There's going to be a lot that will run locally instead of on the internet. So that is something that Microsoft has announced. It's starting with Nvidia GPUs. Not all models, they didn't have a list of models that were going to be compatible with this. But it's something that we thought would happen at some point, that Microsoft would use the GPU to do some AI stuff, even if you don't have a neural processing unit or the requirements for AI like Copilot plus PCs. And it's a way for Microsoft and for operating systems and for, of course, any software that you install to run local AI on your computers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.